Deciding against defeat. God is in the fight. We win. By Peggie M. Hall, Ph.D., Volume 1, page 16. Title: Change is Necessary. God does the changing when we allow our hearts to be in a mode of receivership. Whatever we need, God provides. He does not leave the stage. He is always present for the entire event. Whether we change in small increments or we change drastically, God is moving the second hand of time and change. The song below was written almost 50 years ago. It is still relevant today. The lyrics offer an insightful view about affecting change in a positive way. Wake up. Wake up, everybody. No more sleeping in bed. No more backward thinking. Time for thinking ahead. The world has changed so very much from what it used to be. There's so much hatred, war, and poverty. Wake up, all the teachers. Time to teach a new way. Maybe then they'll listen to what you have to say, 'cause they're the ones who are coming up and the world is in their hands. When you teach the children, teach them the very best you can. The world won't get no better if we just let it be. The world won't get no better. We gotta change it, yeah. Just you and me. Wake up all the doctors. Make the old people well. They're the ones who suffer and catch all the hell. But they don't have so very long before the judgment day. So won't you make them happy before they pass away? Wake up all the builders. Time to build a new land. I know we can do it if we all lend a hand. The only thing we have to do is put it in our mind. Surely things will work out. They do it every time. Wake Up was written by John Whitehead, Gene McFadden, and Victor Karstafen, and recorded in 1975. The artists were Teddy Pendergrass, Harold Melvin, and the Blue Notes. The lyrics in this very popular song are relevant even today. We have the power to change the world when we allow God to be our guiding force. We must elevate our thought life first as we focus on these 3 essential questions. May we find some of the answers we have been looking for. How can we change the world? What more can we do as a collective group and as individuals? Do we have the power to make a difference? According to the Word of God, we have the power to do all 3. First, we must change ourselves through prayer. Secondly, we must get involved in the lives of others through community engagement and relationship building. Lastly, we must recognize this fact. We really do have the power to change the world because so many people took the risk of going the extra mile to change the world for us. And again, that is an excerpt from Deciding Against Defeat. God is in the Fight, We Win by Dr. Peggie M. Hall, Volume 1. And I highly recommend that you look that book up and purchase it for beautiful daily devotions to set your heart and mind in alignment with the Word of God and next steps for His purpose being fulfilled through your life. May God bless you and keep you.